My God, Cassie! Anong ginagawa mo dito? You do not is the liar is the fake. Doon ka nga! Ginagalit mo yung hook earrings ko. Hi friends! Welcome back sa aking channel. So for today, magpapaka-marga tayo. Ita-try out natin ang bagong Blythe Cosmetics from Careline. And gagayahin natin ang makeup ni Marga or ni Andrea Brillantes sa Careline shoot niya. Para makita nyo. Ayan. Tapos, ang products na gagamitin natin is ito. Lahat ito. I got one of each. So if you wanna know kung paano i-achieve yung look ni Andrea Brillantes using Blythe Cosmetics, just keep on watching. Okay, so we're starting with a bare face. Nalaglag pa niya yung primer. Pero I'm gonna start priming my face with this Mario Badescu face spray. Then, just gonna let it sit and dry on my face. Pak, konti. Next, I'm just using this e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I'm just dabbing it on my face. Then, I'm just blending it with a spoon makeup brush. Using this Studio MAC Fix powder to set my whole face, and I'm just dabbing it extra on the areas where I'm oily. All over my neck, my forehead, my eyes. Next, I'm just using the Wet n Wild Color Icon palette, and I'm using the contour shade para sa ating sumpang ilong, ang ating napakapangong ilong. And then I'm just contouring my cheeks and my jawline with it to make it seem like I'm slimmer. Now I'm using the Perfect Brow Trio for my eyebrows. This comes with a pencil, so now I'm outlining my eyebrows. Then I'm using the powder to fill in the spaces. And next, we're going to use the eyebrow mascara to achieve Andrea Brillantes' bushy brows. Ayan. As you can see, if you brush up the hair upwards, it becomes thicker with the eyebrow mascara. Next, we're using the face palette, and I'm gonna use this brown shade as the base eyeshadow. I'm just covering my eyelids with the base eyeshadow. Next, I'm using this darker eyeshadow to create some depth and some dimension. Just do the same for the other eye. Now we're using this copper shade to create a transition shade between the brown shade and the darker shade. Then I just use the brown shade under my eyes. Just put it sa ilalim ng mata. Oh, napuwing pa siya. Next, I just used a regular concealer since I'm gonna do a cut crease for this look. I just spread the concealer all over my eyelids. Then I just blended it with a small blending brush. Doesn't have to be perfect since you're gonna cover it naman with a liquid eyeshadow from Blythe Cosmetics, which is the Starlight Eyes in 202 Cassiopeia. It's a bit pinkish. Since it's a liquid eyeshadow, I just used a powdered highlighter to set it. Then I went back with the brown eyeshadow to blend the two colors together. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner using this eyeliner duo stamp. I got this shade in brown. I didn't get the black one. Now I'm just doing a cat eye. Just do the same for the other eye. So now I just went back with a darker shade to outline the cut crease even more. Then I used the Stardust Palette and I used the middle shade and put it on my tear ducts. A regular eyeliner from Avon. I just outline my under eye with it. Then we're going to use the Ardell false lashes to create more volume for our lashes. This is a bit hard to lagay. We're using Maybelline Falsies mascara to join my natural lashes and the false lashes together. Always make sure to put mascara on my lower lashes to make my eyes bigger since my eyes are a bit chinky or medyo chinita. Next, we're going to use the face palette again since it comes with a cheek blush. And I just dabbed it all over my cheek and spread it. Next, I'm going in with the Stardust Palette again to highlight my whole face. Highlight the high points of my face, my cheekbones, my nose line, the tip of my nose, my forehead. And don't forget to highlight your brow bone. Next, we're going in with the Cloud Tint in the shade 103 Mist. Now, I just spread it all over my lower lip. I didn't have to spread it on top since it's very tinted and it's very pigmented. Then, I'm topping it off with a Stellar Skin lipstick to diffuse the color a bit to make it seem a little bit more pinkish. This one glides on really smoothly. The price for this is really sulit. Ang ganda talaga ng formula niya for a lipstick. Next, I'm just using the Duo Stamp again to stamp on Andrea's stars under her eyes. I didn't even stamp it right the first time. Sinulatan ko pa yan again. Then, nagdikit na lang ako ng mga maliliit na stars on my face. Then, just added the earrings. Tumawa pa si ate. And the look is complete. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And click on the bell to turn on my notifications whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye!